Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beautiful Art and Craft Kits. Hope you are almost well. Today our drawing I about art and craft kits. Hope you are almost well. Today our drawing draw the trunk start by drawing two vertical slightly curved line in the middle of your paper to form the tree trunk. You can make it as thick or thin you like. Add some horizontal line at the bottom for roots. If you like, step 2, add branches. Extend lines from the top of the trunk to from branches. You can make them curvy you irregular as branches are never perfectly straight. Add smaller branches of branching off from main ones. Step 3, create the foliage. Draw a rounded or irregular shape on top of the trunk and branches to represent the leaves or foliage. You can do this by drawing a good like shaped around the branches. Okay, bye bye.